Welcome back to Andy's Guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to add custom code in Webflow. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Webflow, click the Get Started Free option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Now, let me tell you that Webflow's native features are powerful, but custom code allows you to extend functionality beyond what is available out of the box. This can include advanced animations, interactive elements, custom forms, and more. Because the custom codes enables integration with third-party services that may not have direct integrations with Webflow. For example, you can include marketing tools, analytics, platforms, customer relationship management or CRM systems, and custom APIs. For us to be able to add a custom code, all we're going to do is go to the left side panel which says Add Elements, and you need to hover to where it says embed or custom embed, depending on the version that you are using. You just hover down below. This is the custom embed. All right. The thing is, the code embed component allows you to get super unique with the custom HTML code. When you're ready to see your script in action, publish or export your site, you can only access this feature. All right. This is very important with a paid Webflow account or active site plan. All right, so for us to be able to do that, click on this option right here and you would be forwarded to the option for us to upgrade our plan. Now you simply need to find the right plan for your needs, and that's going to be, I'm using the starter free for hobby and staging sites, and obviously I get all of these 2 pages, 50 SMS items, 50 form submissions, and a lot more. Of course, you can start for free, and the basic is the $14 per month. It's billed yearly. All right, and basically all I'm gonna do is click on the basic plan, add this to the site plan, so that when you go to your dashboard, you would be able to add a custom code without any problem. All right, let me do that right now. So go to Open Designer. The thing with the custom code, it can be used to fine-tune performance aspects of your website, such as optimizing images, lazy loading content, or implementing caching strategies. Because custom code can help you optimize your site for search engines by implementing a lot of information, structured data, meta tags, and other SEO best practices that may not be fully covered by Webflow's built-in SEO settings. Now, all I gotta do is go to this section right here. All right, and then after that, you simply navigate again to the upper left corner, add elements, and when you, of course, upgraded to the paid plans, you would be able to utilize the full control of the code embed. All right, and again, it allows you to get super unique with custom HTML code when you're ready to see your script. And again, you can only access this feature with a paid Webflow account or active site plan. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.